In this video, how to download and install Traffic Monitor in Windows 11. Open your web browser and type Traffic Monitor in the Google search bar. Press Enter. Go to the first link GitHub website, or click on the link given in the description. Click here to download the latest version of Traffic Monitor. To download it as a zip file. The zip file containing the Traffic Monitor will be downloaded to your computer. Open folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All from the menu. You can extract the contents of the zip file to a location of C drive. Open Traffic Monitor folder and double-click on Traffic Monitor. Right-click on Traffic Monitor and select Show Taskbar window from the context menu. Right-click on Traffic Monitor and uncheck Select Show Main window from the context menu.